My walnut brownies are so good with these chunks of chocolate and crunchy walnuts. I love that combination of textures. This is one of my favorite recipes in my new cookbook, where you can find it on page 80, and I just know you're gonna love it. It's a pretty basic cocoa powder brownie recipe, and it gives you such a fudgy, dense texture. And I love using bittersweet chocolate chunks in this recipe because it adds that dense chocolatey goodness without it being too sweet. You don't have to melt any chocolate for the brownie batter, so it's really easy to get it together and get it into the oven. This recipe is really quick and easy, so I love it as a last minute dessert for when friends are coming over. And I know I'll be making it at least a few times during the holidays. Depending on if you like your brownies a little bit more fudgy, you can leave it in the oven for either 25 or 30 minutes. And then once they're cooled, I like to dust a little bit of powdered sugar on top, and that's really just for the look. These brownies never last long in my house. And if you're not a fan of walnuts, you could probably swap in like macadamia nuts, almonds, pistachios, whatever you want. Get this recipe in my cookbook. You can get it in hardcover or instant download at the link in my bio.